Welcome to DRX Configuring Your Thermal Printer. Now, we prefer thermal printer drivers from Seagull Scientific via their Bartender software, they call it. You can use factory drivers, but we prefer Seagull. We tend to get a little bit more granularity in what we can do with our settings. So once we've downloaded these drivers, we'll go ahead and run the software here. And we'll see our Seagull driver wizard. And you'll just want to go through these steps here, right? Install a driver, pick your model, and pick a port. Now, currently right now I have a Zebra printer plugged in via USB, but if you wish for more than one computer to be able to use a thermal printer, you should probably have that printer hooked up to the network. Best if they're plugged in directly via Ethernet cable. And you can go ahead and install that. Now in this case, I've already got a printer installed, so we're going to head down to the settings, show you what those settings need to be. Here in the bottom right, we're just going to go ahead and type printers, and we're pulling up printers and scanners. We're going to go ahead and select our Zebra printer, head down to printing preferences, and there's a couple of settings we'll need to configure first. Number one is the stock here, your page size, right? It's always going to default to 4x6. That's a shipping label size. You'll likely want to come in here and edit, and you're going to want to change these dimensions to whatever your label size truly is. Now you'll get this label size from your DRX instance, under your location settings, under your print templates, and we can see here 2.5 by 4.2 or 4.6, whatever that dimension is of the label that you're using. Likely that's a number you already gave to someone who went ahead and made a label template in DRX for you. Back to the settings, you want to go ahead and change that stock size to whatever it truly should be. Make sure if your label needs to be flipped 180 degrees that you do so, otherwise you're going to be printing upside down. And finally, we come to graphics here, and always turn dithering to none. If dithering is turned on, you might see some fuzziness in your barcodes that print. We want our barcodes to be hard, smooth edges, no fuzziness, so we turn this to none. And then you can hit OK or apply to save those settings.